Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. Today we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Like always, I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I do have a challenge going on my channel, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue with that today. Today I'm gonna go ahead and do the Ravenclaw house for Harry Potter. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Start off, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Take Me Back to Brazil by DripCosmetics, and I'll just be taking this light blue right here. And using a fluffy brush, I just go ahead and blend that into my crease. After blending that blue out, I go ahead and take a deeper blue, which I go ahead and apply it directly under that blue that we previously used, but we are going to drag it a bit slightly above the crease. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that same palette again and then use a deeper blue to deepen everything out, and I also apply that slightly just above the crease. Taking my Hard Candy Heavy Duty Concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a half cut crease. And then I'll go ahead and take the same blues and then just repeat the process with the outer corner of my eye. Taking this bronzy shade from a DripCosmetics palette that I dropped and they fell out, so I'm not sure what palette it is. I'll probably go ahead and leave it down below, but I just go ahead and take some setting spray and then I'll just pat that down on my eye. And from the same broken DripCosmetics palette, I go ahead and take this lighter bronzy color and I just go ahead and apply that to the center of my lid. And I go ahead and blend that upward so I can go ahead and remove any harsh lines. And really quickly, I'll just go ahead and take a wipey and clean up the corner of my eyes and just move on to my face really quickly. I'll just go ahead and speed up through this process. For blush, I'm going to go ahead and take my new Santi Face blush palette and I'll just go ahead and use one of those shades. For highlighter, I'm also going to take a new product and I'll be taking my DripCosmetics Black Light Highlight. Moving back to my eyes, I am going to go ahead and apply a bronzy highlight to the brow bone of my eyes and a bronzy glitter to the corner of my eyes just to give it a little more pizzazz, because you know we want that. And I will just go ahead and apply some lashes real quick. For my lips, I am going to go ahead and try something different. I'm going to take my new Bella Pierre, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I'm just going to go ahead and take that blue shade down below, and it is called Calbit Blue. I'm not even sure if you pronounce it like that either, but yeah, I'm just taking this blue and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it all over my lips. It's not what I expected. I expected a darker blue, so I am removing that. So I decided I wanted to go for something dark but not too dark or not too light. So I'm just taking this Italia Deluxe pencil in brown and this NYX Lingerie. I'm not sure what the shade is. I'll also leave that down below in the description box. So with that being done, this pretty much does conclude the look. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this, and like always, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.